koi pond. This whole pond right there, all through it, is a koi. There's a bunch of koi fish, and it's not just koi. And there's a bunch of turtles. Oh, you can see it. There it is. Turtles, and then there's a koi around there. Kian, there's a big turtle. A big turtle. Look at it. It's a big turtle. Guys, look at it. It's like a Korean garden. Here it comes. Yeah, so awesome.
It's a jejong.
Jejong.
Jeju palm.
Well, a wooden carving statue called Jangshyu Chung, traditional stood in the Korean mainland. A stone carved statue for the stood on the volcanic island in Jeju. Ooh, Jeju Island. So that's what we see in Jeju Island. Look at that flowers. So pretty. It's like right there. Screen. It's like a shrine. Korean shrine thing. And then there's a bell over there, and we're gonna go there that way. I got tons of photos. This is the last stop we had. This is tons of photos from the park. This park is like 9 acres, so really pretty, and there's a pond, lakes and stuff like that. It's very, very pretty. I'll show you just more pictures, a slideshow pictures. It's really, 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 really awesome pictures too. I can be a photographer. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. And there's one right here too. Sincere appreciations of Dr. Chang Woo-an and Mrs. Inok An, who have made this Korean Bell Garden possible with their kind and generous donations. Whoa. There's a little quick pond in there too. And there's a little fishes. Yeah, there's a bunch of fishes, Dadia.
Yes.
Yeah, it's underwater. There's a bunch of fish. You see all the fishes?
Yummy fish.
Yummy fish. I'm pretty sure there's a turtles. Look at that. That is so cute. I want a house like this. I want a house. I want a pond like this, Daddy. Yeah, and then they're gonna go this way. There's like a pathway. Supposed we go that way, but we didn't. Go this way. Look at that. It's really, really, really amazing. The bells is the one that I really want to see, and then there's a bunch of I call that in the spring. There's a like bunch of cherry blossoms around there, surrounded the shrine.
I said it's gonna be a sacrifice for you. Oh, that kid? I said don't follow her.
Look at that. Wow. It's a huge bell, baby.
Ooh. Amazing.
Amazing. It's a big bell. No, 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 you're not.
No. Under.
No,
Yeah.
you're. That's why there's a chain in there, so you're not gonna go inside. That's how until you.
That's a chain.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, it's a chain.
Oops, sorry, buddy.
Yay, that's it.
Yeah, so pretty.
Amazing.
It's amazing. Awesome to have all of these things. Luckily, it's not far away from us too. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go back here at spring, or maybe this week or something. Depends on my mood. But it's very pretty. Look at that. All of it is really huge, and it's really pretty. And then there's my boys. Or cherry blossoms around there.
What's the book for?
So cute. And then it's very cheap too to go and pay the thing. What it says. Kap Myung Kim and Chung Bun Kim. Look at that pond over there. So pretty. We went there earlier. There's a bunch of goose, baby. It's a duck. Goose. Bunch of goose. You can't bother goose because if they do, they're so fast. Wow. Good job. Good stopping, Davy. Good waiting. Good waiting. Yeah. Well, Kian is so fast. So pretty. Are you gonna sit over there? Oh, that is so cute.
You taking a break?
That is so cute, buddy. Look at the flower. Look at this flower, Kian. Look at the flower.
What's
There's
that?
a bee. Oh yeah, there's a bee. It's right over there.
A pretty butterfly.
There's a bee.
A pretty butterfly.
There's a pretty butterfly.
Mm.
Ooh. Are you having fun?
It's a butterfly.
Yeah, there's a No.
A butterfly.
Yeah, there's a butterfly.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's a butterfly.
Yeah, is it really?
Oh no.
What happened?
Ah!
What happened?
The grasshoppers.
There's a grasshopper? I don't think so.
Ants.
An ant? Yeah, there is an ant. Are you sniffing it?
Mm.
What does it smell like?
Oh no, a bee.
Oh,
Come on, Kian, let's keep
The
going.
bee is on this sunflower.
the bee is in the sunflower. Where are we going?
Kian,
We're going this way.
this way, baby.
We're going this way. Oh, Daddy, that's a loop. We'll have to go there. There's a big butterfly over there. You see the big butterfly, Daddy?
Yeah.
Big butterfly chair. And then that's where we're going from. There's a bee on the flower? Yes. It's really nice, guys, because you can do held your photos for your wedding in here, or your actual wedding, because there's a venue over there, and there's people right there taking their photos. It's very, 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 very beautiful over here. We're going this way. It's an exit this way. Is that a well?
Maybe.
Or a fire thing? Oh, it's not. It's just nothing. Oh, they have a Christmas light over all around the trees now. All right. I think we're in exit. Alright guys, I think that's all for today, guys. Hope you like the little quick videos and photos that I've been taking. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you do, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the red bell button so every time I leave you guys notified. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.